So let us see how we can approach this sum. क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि p इज अ प्राइम नंबर एंड p इज ग्रेटर देन 3. तो हमको प्रूव क्या करना है कि p इज डिविजिबल बाय 24. सो टू प्रूव दैट p इज डिविजिबल बाय 24, we need to prove that p is divisible by 8 and 3. So if we prove that p is divisible by 8 and 3, so automatically we can say that p is also divisible by 24, because 24 is the LCM of 8 and 3. So this is point 1. So पहला पॉइंट मेरा ये है कि अगर हमको प्रूव करना है कि p 24 से डिविजिबल है, so I have to prove that p is divisible by 8 and 3. Now मेरा पहला टास्क क्या है कि p 8 से डिविजिबल हो, और दूसरा टास्क मेरा ये होगा कि p 3 से डिविजिबल हो. तो ये दोनों टास्क अगर मेरा कंप्लीट हो जाए तो वी कैन से दैट p is divisible by 24. Now let us see. p square minus 1 is p minus 1 and p plus 1. ठीक है. Now here, now let us see. Now let us write p minus 1, p and p plus 1. ये आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि p minus 1 and p plus 1, these are three consecutive numbers. p मेरा प्राइम नंबर है which is greater than 3. उसका पहले वाला नंबर है p minus 1 and उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर है p plus 1. So these are three consecutive numbers and we all know that three consecutive number अगर हो तो उसमें से एक नंबर will be divisible by 3. For any three consecutive numbers, at least one of them will be divisible by 3. तो ये तीनों नंबर में से थ्री कंसेक्यूटिव जो नंबर है इसमें से वन ऑफ देम विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 3. सो p is a prime number, so obviously p will not be divisible by 3. p is a prime number and greater than 3, so p will never be divisible by 3. So either p minus 1 is divisible by 3 or p plus 1 is divisible by 3. Hence, p square minus 1, which is coming to p minus 1 or p plus 1, ठीक है, is divisible by 3. ठीक है. So मेरा पहला टास्क क्या था कि p को प्रूव करना है कि p is divisible by 3, which I have done. मेरा दूसरा टास्क क्या है, p is divisible by 8, ये प्रूव करना है. ठीक है. Once again let us write p square minus 1 is p minus 1 and p plus 1. Remember, p is a prime number and p is greater than 3. So in that case p कभी इवन नंबर नहीं हो सकता है. So p is an odd number. P prime number, only even number that is a prime number is 2 and p is greater than 3. So p is an odd number. p is an odd number. So if p is an odd number, then p minus 1 is even and p plus is even. p plus 1 is even number. So now since p minus 1 is even number and p plus 1 is even number, and these are also two consecutive even numbers, p minus 1 and p plus 1 is both are two consecutive even numbers. As we all know that the product of two consecutive even number is always divisible by 8. Two even numbers, you take any two consecutive even numbers, for example 4, 8 and 10, their product is 80. 80 is divisible by 8. You take another example, 12 and 14. 12 and 14, their product is coming to 168, divisible by 8. So two consecutive even numbers, if we multiply them, the resultant will always be divisible by 8. So मेरा जो दूसरा टास्क था, that is 8 से divisible प्रूव करना है, वो हो गया. That is p square minus 1 is divisible by 8. So hence p square minus 1 is divisible by both 3 and 8. Since it is divisible by 3 and 8, it will also be divisible by 24. Why 24? Because 24 is the multiple of 3 and 8. LCM of 3 and 8. I hope the sum is clear. Thank you.